I'm an intern at Explora, and today we're going to be making rock candy crystals. So the materials we're going to be using today is 1 cup of water, 3 cups of sugar, a microwave safe bowl, some clothespins, some skewers, a tall jar, and a tray. First, I'm going to pour 1 cup of water to a microwave safe bowl, then 3 cups of sugar. Okay, so after 3 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water, we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now that we're done with pouring it, we're going to leave it to cool for 20 minutes. Skewer into the sugar solution. It should look something like this. And then I'm going to dip it into dry sugar. And then let it cool for a little bit, for maybe about 20 minutes. Now we're going to clip a clothespin to the other side of the skewer, and we're going to put it in the jar, but make sure it doesn't touch the bottom of the jar. So now we're going to put a paper towel the best way you can, just to cover it up. That would be good. And then we leave it to cool, just outside room temperature for about a week. I took them out of the container and they look like this. They grew a lot since we put them in, and yeah, they're ready to eat now. With your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can try this at home.